plays it with her heart of stone, 'cause all she does is throw it back to me. I spent a lifetime looking for someone. Don't try to understand me, just simply do the things I say. Love is a feeling, give it to me when I want it, 'cause I'm on fire, that's my desire. Give it to me when I want it, talk to me woman, give it to me, give it to me. You and your friends were laughing in that big town, but it's okay, and it's okay. You won't be laughing, girl, when I'm not around. I'll be okay, and I gotta find peace of mind. Well, howdy there, pluckers. I was Four Fingers again with you, with hopefully another interesting lesson for you. This one is a classic song from Michael Jackson called Give In To Me, collaboration with Slash, I think, on the original record. Okay, so we're in standard tuning, and we're doing it in the same key that Michael Jackson recorded the song in. Okay, so let's get to it. So we start on an E minor, straightforward E minor, and we go into the intro, which is the classic riff. Okay, you play the open E string, and then you follow that up by playing the 5th string and the 4th string of the E minor. Okay, then we raise this the second finger on the 4th string up to the 4th fret of the 4th string. Okay, so okay, then you play the open 3rd string back to the 4th on the 4th, back to the 2nd on the 4th, to the 2nd on the 5th. So start again, open 6, 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th. Let's do it again, I think I said that wrong, didn't I? Open 6, 2nd on the 5th, 2nd on the 4th, 4th on the 4th, open 3rd, 4th on the 4th, 2nd on the 4th, 2nd on the 5th. Okay, so let's just do it again. Very slowly. Okay, then what I do is I form with these two fingers, I'm forming a C major 7, or a top end of a C chord. Okay, just the 3rd fret of the 5th string, I'm using my 2nd finger, and the 1st fret of the 2nd fret of the 4th string with my 1st finger. Okay, right, so and I'm playing the 5th string, the 4th string and the 3rd string, which is open. The 3rd string's open. Okay, then we slide this shape up 2 frets to the, so this is the 2nd finger is now on the 5th fret of the 5th string, the A string, and 1st finger is on the 4th fret of the D string. Yeah, and we do that with 5th string, 4th string, open 3rd string, back to the 4th fret of the 4th string. Okay, 5, 4, 3, 4. Okay, so the whole thing. Okay, and that is the classic riff, and you play that twice as the intro, the whole thing twice for the intro, and then it comes in with the singing, and you just play the same thing and sing over it for the verse, or most of the verse, half of the verse anyway. Okay, so let's just do 2 lots of intro, and then I'll sing 3 lines of verse over it. Okay, here we go. Don't try and play it too quickly, it's fairly slow. takes you. Oh, sorry, I forgot to mention the first note of the chord, and then the singing comes in on the second note, on the second, on the fifth, on the riff. Okay, so start again.
Always takes it with a heart of stone, 'cause all she does is throw it back to me. I spent a lifetime looking for someone.
Okay, so that's all the same all the way through. And then we go to a B minor chord, second fret bar chord, minor shape, and it's like downstrokes, that sort of thing. Da, 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 da. Okay, don't try to under A minor, Stanley, just simply B minor. Do the things I say is D. Okay, so that's don't try to understand me, just simply do the things I say. And that's the whole verse, okay, and it's the same for the other verse in the song as well. Okay, so let's do it up to that point again, shall we? 2 lots of intro, then we'll do the verse, and then we'll move into the chorus. Okay, so here we go.
All she does is throw it back to me. I spent my lifetime looking for someone. Don't try to understand me, just simply do the things I say.
Love is a feeling. Now what I do now, love is a feeling. On feeling you do a nice E minor strum. And then what I tend to do is come back up from the top string to the bottom string, near the bridge somewhere, to get that nice raspy sound. Okay, love is a feeling, give it to me when I want to. Right, it's the same chords as the verse, E minor, C, but when you go to the D, the picking's a bit different. On the chorus, you play, instead of going 5, 4, 3, 4, you go 3, 4, 5. Okay, so it goes, love is a feeling, give it to me when I want to. Okay, so on that chord, on the chorus, it's that way round, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so give it to me, so love is a feeling, give it to me when I want it, 'cause I'm on fire, quench my desire, give it to me when I want it, talk to me woman, give it to me, give it to me. Right, now at the end of the chorus where it goes give in to me, give in to me, give in to me, give in to me, you play that C chord and then you play a B5, which is that. First finger is playing the 2nd fret of the 5th string, the A string, and the 3rd finger and pinky are playing the 4th fret of the 4th string and the 3rd string, and you just need to hit those 3 strings with the downstrokes. Okay, and that's after the C, so give it to me, give it to me. Okay, the C first and then that B5, and then it goes into the next verse, exactly the same to play as the first verse, but I went straight into the bridge section. Okay, so there's another verse and another chorus which are exactly the same to play as what we've just done for the first verse and the first chorus, and then it goes into this middle bridge section, So coming out of the chorus, so we do the second chorus, it's exactly the same to play as the first chorus. So love is a feeling, that's my desire, and I am wanting to take me higher. Give to me, okay, so exactly the same, second chorus exactly the same to play as the first. Words are slightly different, that's all, but it's the same to play. So do that second chorus again. Love is a feeling, that's my desire, give it I want it, taking me higher. Love is a woman, I don't want to hear it, give it to me, give it to me. Okay, then we go into this bridge section, A minor. You and your friends will land in G, be in town. E minor, but it's O, and it's okay. A minor, you won't be letting go. G, and I'll around, and I'll be okay. That's an F major 7. So it's an F chord with a top E string open. Okay, so you play a simple F, just lift up the bar, open top E string. I was playing a 4-fingered F, so I tend to play an F with my third finger up on the 5th string on the 3rd fret and my pinky on the 4th string on the 3rd fret. So it's a 4-fingered F rather than a 3-fingered F. You just still lift up the bar, open up the top string, top E string. Okay, so when you see me playing that, I'm still playing an F. And if I lift my bar up, it's an F major 7. Okay, so let's go from the beginning. It comes into the A minor, you and your friends will laugh, and G and B in town. E minor, so okay, and it's okay. A minor, you won't be laughing, girl. G when I'm not around. F major 7 will be okay. B5, and I gotta find a blind piece of mind. Okay, so it's that chord again, the B5. After the F major 7th, go to the B5, just those 3 strings, 5, 4, 3. Then it goes back into, that's the lead solo starts at that point, but you could just go into another chorus or another verse, however you want to do it. Okay, so there you have it, that's all there is in the song. So let's go through the whole thing again, shall we? Just for fun. She always takes it with a heart of stone. All she does is throw it back to me. I spent a lifetime looking for someone. Don't try to understand me, just simply do the things I say. Ooh, I feel it, it's what I want to, because I'm on fire, quench my desire, give it to me when I want it, torture me with me, give it to me. To me. And your friends laughing at me in town. It's okay, and it's okay. You won't be laughing, girl, when I'm not around. I'll be okay, and I gotta find peace of mind. Or something like that. Have it, boys and girls, something like that. Okay, practice makes perfect. See you in the next lesson. Bye for now.